Well, my push rods came in today, so that's good. Can finally get the engine back together, test fire it. Hopefully everything stays together. Didn't screw anything up on the rebuild, but I'm fairly confident. So get those put in and fire it up, see what happens. Well, that's got rocker arms and push rods installed, so bolt down the valve covers, put the plugs in, coils, torque everything down. I've got to finish bolting on the flange for the headers, and I should be good to try it. Okay, well, I think I'm ready to test fire. Rockers and push rods are in, coils are hooked up, plugs are in, everything's torqued, plugged in, I've got oil. Yeah. Coolant. I can't think of anything else, so it should be good. Alright, wish me luck. We've got fuel pressure. About 65, 70 psi oil pressure, so that's definitely a good sign. Rods are still in it. Well, I'm officially done. Everything's plumbed. I had to rethink a few things a couple of times on the tank here, just because I was having trouble getting prime. So I had to raise it up, actually just mounted it on some rubber. Get the lines at a proper angle here, and that helped feed the pump a little better. But now I'm circulating properly and getting cold water to the blower, and I'm not losing prime, so all I have to do now is tune.